school at this time. I'm going to be paying for my daddy. He's my helper.
Alright, so we gotta do the glue first again.
Yes, the glue. And this time I will do it. I'm pretty good at that. We spilled it a little bit.
You passed it a little bit. Alright, so we poured it in here now, right?
Yes. Here's a stick. Kind of made a little messy, but we will get it later. How do you do?
Now we gotta do the water. 30 milliliters. That's 30. All the way to the top. Alright, can you hold this right above the bowl? Right there. Go ahead and dump it in the bowl. Thank you.
Green, Daddy.
Green?
Yes.
Can't break these.
I don't know. And I'm not doing this for since you can get your hands to be easy.
It's not coming out.
Okay, done. Not too much.
Just one.
Perfect.
Can you scrape some of that? Scrape some of it off. Sorry. Yeah.
I hope we do good this time.
Thank you, camera person.
This is my mom.
Yes, I am.
Alright, so the next thing is to put the slime activator.
Yes.
The slime's activator solution.
Yes, the one I want.
Alright, so let's measure 5 ml, as the camera person like to describe it.
ML.
Milliliters.
Is that what it stands for?
I hope so. You want to put it in?
Yes.
Slowly. Thank you.
Look, partner.
Partner, I like that. Alright, let me mix this really quick.
Why really quick?
I don't know. Does this look different now, you said?
Yes.
Does it?
Yes. Looks like real slime. Oh my god, this looks so cool.
So is that what it is?
Yeah, slime.
Oh, it feels so cold.
It does feel cool.
So success for you guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Success.
I'm not gonna put it in here.
Make sure you do have any of your pants or shorts or leggings.
Alright, so this is fun.
It is.
It may come out better for other people.
Yes.
We tried.
Other people may like it more.
Oh, yeah.
But
that's
I'm not
what
that crazy. I'm not that
about.
crazy about it.
That's what I'm talking about.
You like it?
Yes.
Don't get it on your hair, please.
Okay, I wasn't pretending. I'm gonna get all you want. This will waste some of you wants anyways.
Would you recommend this?
Yes.
Yeah? As a parent?
Ah!
Cool.
Ah!
But, yeah.
The reading is up. Now we have to clean all this stuff.
What?
Looks messy.
Yeah, it's messy. It's real messy.
Give the rest of the same to me. Oh, sorry.
So I just want to let everyone know, for whoever does want to go out and buy this, it was $5 at Toys R Us. I don't know if it was on sale on clearance, but I thought it was pretty cheap because it included everything you needed as opposed to going out and having to buy things on its own.
Well, I'll see you guys next time.
Yes. Bye. Bye.
Say bye, Mila.
Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Bye.